Every day, over 360,000 babies are born on planet Earth. Each is a brand new life, with a special and exciting future stretching out ahead. But some lives are more unique and special than others. Let us introduce you to little AutoClive, the hero of our story, and just one of 600,000 products.
What a lovely design, 5.4 kilos and an ergonomic beauty, and delivered right on time.
Thank you.
AutoClive enjoyed an idyllic childhood full of care, attention and quality assurance. He was his parents' pride and joy. From his very first day at school, it was clear that AutoClive was going to thrive. And this was just the start of ongoing service that would ensure consistent performance.
And that covers sustainability. Does anybody have any questions?
Intelligent, reliable, energy efficient, AutoClive had it all. And what a place to learn about everything.
Here are your test papers.
And so, AutoClive made his way into a bright future. Before too long, the world of work beckoned. At SLS, he could have gone into any scientific field, but he was delighted to find himself here. Year after year, AutoClive worked away diligently, valued by his superiors and his build quality respected by his peers. Life couldn't have been happier. Until one fateful day, after an unfortunate lack of care and attention from his owner, disaster struck.
Hello, it's our Labserve. We need your help. It's an emergency.
What was to become of our hero? Well, my friend, there's no need to worry. AutoClive soon found himself in the safest and most expert hands. Friendly faces from Labserve nurtured him back to health. And before too long, AutoClive was back where he belonged, this time supported by a service contract from Labserve, doing what he was born to do, and doing it brilliantly. All thanks to SLS and Labserve. Scientific laboratory supplies and Labserve, partners in performance for life.